Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2005 Ford Escape with the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button. I'm changing it during the winter here because I had the AC compressor freeze up, and so I just put a new compressor in it. But first thing you're going to do, come in here, start your vehicle. Turn your AC on max, turn your blower setting all the way to cold, and turn the blower all the way up. Then pop your hood, and let's go under the hood. Alright, now this is your low pressure port right here, so we're going to unscrew that, put that in a safe spot. Then we're going to connect our hose, it just snaps on like that. Now we can look at our gauge here and see what's going on. So you see the needle moving. The AC compressor is going to kick on here in a second, right now, and drop. And then it'll probably kick off. Yep. And the pressure jumps back up. So what you want to do is fill this up until the needle just stays at a solid spot, probably around 30. So we're going to squeeze the trigger, oscillate our can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock, and we're just going to let that compressor draw that refrigerant in. Like I say, you're going to do this until the needle stays solidly, kind of like that, except for now it's dropping, but you just want it to stay in a solid spot and not keep popping back up and down. You just want it to stay in one solid spot there in the green. Between 30 and 40 is usually where it ought to be. So you can see here, I put more in it. That's what it ought to look like when you're getting close to full. Gotta just stay right in that same spot. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.